Hi, and welcome to 331 Hidden View in South Fork. Come on in. This is a lovely main floor home. Everything you need is on one level. It was built in the year 2000 and it's been lovingly maintained. We have stainless steel appliances, LG and Whirlpool, plenty of seating for all your guests. You're gonna find that this home is really wonderful for really big parties. If you've got kids, grandkids, every generation, everybody's welcome here. There's plenty of room for your biggest parties inside and out. So from the kitchen, you can walk into the laundry room, and then there's a door out the back to the fenced-in backyard. So this is where you would come in from your garage as well with your groceries right here into the kitchen. This lovely gas fireplace is on a remote control and will definitely heat this room in the winter. If you can just imagine yourself sitting here and looking out at the foothills of the back of the Willow Park mountain range from San Juan Mountain range. It's just lovely and peaceful and quiet. So walking through from the living room into the primary bedroom, there's ample space. This is a king-size bed with a full furniture set. So you've got your nightstands, your vanity with your mirror, and a good-sized closet. And the primary bathroom is also still on one floor, so we've got double vanity sinks, a soaking jet tub, a shower, and a water closet there. This is the media room. I totally love this room. It's one of my favorite parts of the house because that door goes out to the back deck where you can have a hot tub. It's a covered back deck. You get awesome views of the Agua Ramon mountains back there. But this is also just another cozy spot to hang out and watch TV, your favorite movies, and have a shower. So your guests can either hang out here and use the shower in the bathroom, or they can be in any of the other bedrooms. So from the kitchen and the banquette seating, you have 3 more bedrooms and another bathroom with ample closet space, ample room for the kids and everyone to hang out on the other side of the house from the primary bedroom. Check out the views from this new listing. So there's your nearest neighbor right there, then a few other neighbors. The lot line is right there on the road and it's a full 3 acres. So you can see it goes back to that other side of the road, and then off the back porch it's bordered by a road back there. Hope to see you here at 331 Hidden View in South Fork. It's a lovely, lovely ranch, 1-floor home, perfect for anyone that doesn't want stairs, and ample parking. Check out how many parking spots you can have. You can have giant parties here.